Should I have collision coverage? If you think you're paying too much for your existing auto insurance, put the internet to work, and with a little effort it's easy to find cheap auto insurance quotes that can save you money right now. Here's how. Only by shopping around for competitive insurance quotes can you find cheap auto insurance quotes. Most people don't bother or compare just two quotes with little thought to the factors insurance companies base their prices on. Cheap auto insurance quotes aren't necessarily the best. It's more involved than comparing the bottom line. The manner in which insurance claims are processed and approved is an important consideration, as is the speed that claims are settled. The manner in which an insurer deals with you both verbally and in writing is important. They should be easy to contact, courteous, and willing to help. Remember that following an accident you are likely to be in a state of stress, and the last thing you'll need is a company you can't contact and doesn't take a personal interest in resolving your case. A higher insurance deductible equates to cheaper auto insurance quotes. When a claim is filed, you will be responsible for the first $X as the deductible, and the insurance company pays the balance. The choice you have to make is between a lower deductible with a higher premium but less out-of-pocket expenses if a claim is made, or a higher deductible with a lower premium but higher costs to meet if a claim is made. It's a choice that only you can make, but if you want a cheap auto insurance quote, increasing your deductible from $200 to $1, $200 will give you significant savings on your insurance premium, but there are risks. Choose the highest deductible you can afford should the worst happen, and enjoy the savings from your reduced premiums. So select the maximum you can to pay. The higher the better, because the difference in your car insurance premiums will mean more cash in your pocket. Your existing insurance company probably offers lower rates to new customers, and they might be persuaded to offer similar rates to keep your business. Multi-line discount is often on offer if you insure both your home and auto with the same insurance company. Good driver discounts are offered if you have not had an accident or ticket in a long time. Installing car alarms and tracking systems is seen as reducing the risk of theft, and most insurance companies will pass the savings to offer cheap auto insurance quotes. Low mileage discounts are available if your average mileage is typically less than 40 miles per day. You will be offered a cheap auto insurance quote. A less desirable auto is less likely to be stolen and usually attracts a cheaper premium. Comparing rates between cars before buying might force you to reconsider your options. If there is a notable difference between premiums, choose the insurance before deciding on your new car. Finding cheap auto insurance quotes isn't difficult when comparing quotes online. In less than 5 minutes you can save hundreds of dollars off your annual premium. Armed with the knowledge and the will to do so, cheap auto insurance quotes are easy to find.